I just got my lashes done. The trick to this game is like, what? I just had breakfast. Yeah, I should like mix it, right? You go for it. Okay, so welcome to my weekly vlog. So today is Sunday and it's currently 12. I don't really have a lot going on. Well, I'm going to make my hair, thread my brows, and also fix my lash. Hopefully, I pray I'll be able to like do everything today because it's already 12. I'm going to have left earlier, but we had some things doing in the hostel. So yeah, going by this time. Yeah, I'm making all back. Guys, so I'm back at the lodge and I just finished making my hair. Selfie is giving unlockings. I'm about to fix my lashes. Guess who is fixing my lashes for me? Chelsea, our one and only nail tech. Please, y'all should. What's the word? Patronize her. She's really good. Don't worry, good to see my lashes. Immediately I'm done with it, and even the process too, so you see that my baby is good. So you all should come patronize her. Don't sleep on her. Yeah. She's good. Her lashes are slickly done. Play.
And next thing, Precious, no. Next thing, Precious, no.
Hello.
Let's get chill. Why are you blinking like I'm tripping?
Because I'm tearing, guys. This is literally my first time I'm doing lash extensions and I'm so scared. I'm not literally scared because it's Chelsea that is in it, so I trust her with my eyes.
I won't stab her eyes.
Jesus.
We are.
Hey guys, I just got my lashes done. I look pretty, I feel pretty. Maintenance day done and dusted. Yeah, my hair is giving, my lashes giving, my eyebrows, even though I've not threaded them, still giving. God, I feel so pretty. Guys, rate my look in the comment section. About to have lunch. I'm super duper hungry. So yeah, I'm eating rice and banga soup. I mean a banga stew. Guys, I went for a walk. The environment is so serene. Guys, I really need to get a microphone and I'm working on that because I don't like screaming at my camera when I'm speaking. Like literally, I'm out on a walk trying to get the fresh air, watching my classmates play football, and they're really sexy at what they do. I posted the last vlog, Chelsea's back vlog, that video that I and Chelsea stepped out. I called the place where Mary stays, so it's actually called a grotto. That's what they called it in Catholic thingy. It's called a grotto, where you come, say your rosary. Either you do 20 decades or you do 5, any amount you can do. Hey guys, so updates from today. It's still Sunday and it's currently 9. I don't know the exact time, but it's 9. So it's 9. So today was my maintenance day. Not really full on maintenance because I didn't know do my nails or fix my toes because I'm at school. So I just made my hair, did my lashes. I was not able to dread my brows today still.
And Chelsea is involved.
I wasn't able to dread my brows still, but I think I will do that tomorrow when Precious is back because she's the one that dreads my brows because she's so good at what she does. And I went for a walk. I had rice. The rice I had was so nice. Very bored. Like literally 3 of us, we are all so bored. And we're thinking of playing. Say Esther Lynn, say hi. Yeah, so we're thinking of playing a little game, but we are still like at the middle. We don't know what to play. The middle.
Sit on the bloody bed.
So we don't know. Guys, we've got into the conclusion. We are playing name. So I'm going to start now. Name.
And then
Yeah, then essentially. So names of people that you know favor.
Estalin, Destiny,
Chidera.
Jamaican, Amaka.
The trick to this game is like, well, how I play is like, maybe me and like, you know, the way you guys were in secondary school, the way you guys were seated, if you can remember, or like the way you are in your house, maybe your mother's name, you start listing everything until the end. So that's the trick of the game.
The names of girls, names of them boys.
I bet somebody will feel that one.
Yeah, that's the names of game.
Okay.
Names of boys.
Names.
You don't have it.
It's a lie. You're out of the game. So Chelsea is out of the game. It's between
I hate this game.
the both of us. So names of cars that you know: Benz,
Camry,
Honda,
Toyota,
Lexus. So guys, it's legit said that I'm the boss, the Omega G
boss.
Thank you all for watching. See you all tomorrow. Remember, it's a weekly vlog, so you're all going to continue tomorrow. Bye guys. Hey guys, today is Monday the 20th. Yeah, 20th of May, and I just had breakfast. So good breakfast, and it's going well. I don't have anything planned for today. No work, no nothing. I just want to watch movie, and let's see how the rest of the day goes, because honestly I don't have plans for today at all. So let's just see how everything goes. So welcome to my Monday vlog. Yeah, like
anything you say, baby, you'll find it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday and it's currently 1 p.m. Today my energy is giving play, and that's what I've been doing after watching my movie, which really made me laugh. Now let's see how the day goes. Bye. See you when I see you. Don't forget, it's a weekly vlog. I'm going to try to check up on you guys, trying to post videos more, and I will try not to forget I'm vlogging. Vlog the hand. These girls are eating. What are you eating? Fufu. Say It's currently, what's the time? 8, and nothing really special happened today. I'm about to have dinner. As of now, I'm watching a movie. But yeah, I'm about to have dinner. So, but I want this vlog to be very, very long. I'm trying to work on it, so my watch time will increase. So yeah.
The way that these figures are just wearing ash.
Hey guys, today is Thursday the 23rd of May. I'm at work. We don't have any patients today. We had one though, but yeah. So I'm about to check myself, just testing, because my new word is ART, that's heart-to-heart center / HIV. I'm about to test myself, so yeah, let's go. Let's do this test together. Although I know I'm not positive, I just want to be sure. Do the HIV test. This is the strip, HIV strip. If it has 2 red fainty lines, it is positive, but if it has 1 faint line, red, is negative. So let's see. Go on. Push. Push. You and your doctor when I don't get sense. Remember your graduation?
Wake up on. Guys, this is my 25 graduation. The makeup that they do, if you do it for me, God will punish you. I don't wear hats.
They will now use fork and tear the zip of your bag like this.
I can put this bag now with fork.
I swear.
Yes.
You use fork and tear. Yeah, come. Yes, girl. Okay, your pants are from.
Dang, where did I even get this one? Okay, so pants are from. I think they're from So.
Forever 21.
I just say Forever. Wait. Yeah. Oh!
Forever 21.
Oh, it's from Shein.
Your pants are from Shein.
It's from Shein. Okay, now top was a gift from my grandma. Hair done by one woman in UMUAHIA. Shoes. I think they're
From California. Yeah.
her. Lashes by me.
Let's see.
Lashes.
Ooh.
And then purse borrowed from Goma.
Yes. What's the brand of the purse? You're meant to say that. You're meant to say
Oh, this is Louis V.
Louis V. Oh my days. Okay. From.
I don't know. California.
You know who your shirt is from.
This is borrowed.
Yeah, and your
Glasses. Versace.
Ooh. Guys, today is Friday the 24th of May. The month is finally and gradually getting to an end. Today, I'm basically the only one around. Everyone left for some things they had to do. Chelsea went thrift shopping. Precious went somewhere. All of them just had like various places they had to go to. And yeah, me, I decided to stay around, chill. I've had breakfast. I had leftover rice from yesterday, and now I'm about to make lunch. It's currently 10, right? Currently 10 to 11. So I'm about to make lunch. So when it's actually time for me to have lunch, I have lunch. Then arrange the room. It's raining, like legitly raining, and it's not night yet. I don't know why everywhere is dark. I mean, well, initial plan was to go for a walk. My friends are back. I'm so excited, and my plan was to go for a walk, and now it's raining. So I don't even know what to do at this point again. Well, let's just see how the night goes. Anything that happens that's fun, interesting, I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, as I usually do. So yeah, bye. I still go last one.
Literally 9 p.m. at night. Reno in their bathroom. She's fast asleep. I wasn't expecting her to be fast. I wanted to come in and gossip with her. Whoa. She's already asleep. Let's sleep. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Say hi. I just say hi. I think like this. Okay, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday the 25th of May, and this morning we decided to go for a walk. We were meant to go yesterday, and the rain decided to spoil our plans, so we shifted this morning, and now we're going for a walk. So guys, I'm wearing a turtleneck sleeveless dress gotten by Chelsea.
Yes.
And a mini skirt.
Okay.
From my wardrobe. What are you wearing, girl?
Thrifted skirt. Oh, I'm so happy to say that. Thrifted skirt. My friend's hoodie. Precious is hoodie. It says
Missy Empire. you wearing?
Very much more strong. A cropped neck, sleeveless.
Yes. Wearing today.
How are you guys? Actually, the crop top and it's brown in color.
Is it brown?
Panties and the white zero slippers.
Yeah.
Yes, now if it's chopped to step, you should follow right. Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
But you look so pretty.
Normal now. Why are you acting like this the first time? Guys. Yes, really that they have this one mentality that anytime you see people dressed so fine, yes, so dressed so fine, they'll say hook up.
Class, please.
I don't understand.
My life is very vital.
It's
It's not nice. Literally, this man that walked past us. I'm not happy. This man that walked past us just now was like, are these people going for hookup?
I don't
See
understand.
time. It's 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Hook up, broad daylight hook up.
They do think that hookup is being done on the broad day.
I don't know.
It's like they've done it before.
It's just their mentality.
No,
Yes, so.
you know, illiteracy,
Yes.
ignorance is disturbing some.
Boat.
No, Maya.
They don't have boats now. They'll enter one mad keke like this. Go for it. You don't even see them wear their mini gown and their heels. Hello guys, so this video I'm about to post, in case you all don't understand, if you all don't understand what we're talking about, yeah, we don't know that cleanup usually happens in UMUAHIA by like 6 to 10. So we went for the morning walk by like 8. So on our way going, there was this truck filled with people dressed in police uniforms, and we thought they were kidnappers. So we ran. Oh, the girl was like, what happened? She was like, I was like, kidnappers.
Somebody running.
Someone asked me I should do like this. I was like,
From here.
Someone was like,
That to close her mouth.
let me say what if they catch us? I thought they were kidnappers on police
You know,
uniform.
my heart was deep. No, this is a story. This is a story.
They want to carry us.
Yeah, I never ran like that.
That's the highest thing that can happen. Even run. Like, I swear to God, I was not even running. Because I kept turning around. I was like, who is this? What's going on?
Why will I not? I was in front of it. Because someone was already holding my hand.
I didn't want to my hand in the shutter, but the person standing before the gate ran. I'm like, Chineke, who am I?
Don't come and tell us, come and pay 500k as we're fine girls now. I'm using my phone, not even myself. I'm using my phone. Just like this meal.
It's so scary.
I'm running.
Not that hard now.
Say hi. So guys, we're finally back home. I am going to end the vlog here. Thank God I'm finally through with this hectic vlog. This vlog was not easy to edit, but yeah, it's a weekly vlog, so it's quite expected. So y'all should be expecting more weekly vlogs from me. So guys, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, share my video, to subscribe, and an old and returning subscriber, please y'all should keep on spreading the love. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.
That holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of